out of here, and I just came into Epcot tonight, and I noticed that they put a big blow up and they're taking down the other legacy stone. So I'm gonna go show you guys what exactly it looks like now. So this wall extends all the way through here. There's still a couple of them that aren't hidden in here, so I think they're just still slowly just taking them down. Something that I think is interesting though is during the festivals, they have like a little island where they decorate that with like whatever the festival is. That's covered, so I think that is very interesting. And these are just the remainings of the other legacy stones. So I'm just going to turn this around here. Just very interesting, just all the little changes they're making. I'm very excited for what's coming to Epcot in the next couple of years. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet, I would absolutely love if you could subscribe to my channel. If you can hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button, that will notify you when I do upload a new vlog and when I live stream. If you can share this with your friends and family, that'd be great. And put a comment below. Are you disappointed that they're moving the legacy stones? Or do you think that they were kind of bulky in the front entrance? And also, give this video a like, because that would be fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. Your vacation is out there.